This is your warning. This video contains content that might not be appropriate for all audiences.
Yeah, let's take a chance on the bush.
No, you were saying how you've brought a hose into this house. And
Oh, yeah.
you filled the engine room.
I didn't fill the engine room. I was washing the engine.
And
my intention was that maybe I could also check the bilge pumps to see if they're working. And I don't know where the water goes because it doesn't go where the bilge pump is. It's not a big deal. There's no water. Oh, there might be water on the boat. I haven't found out where the water's going on the boat. But we're going to get... Maybe they're very deep bilges. I don't know. What's your guess? You tell me what you think.
I think you're filling different bilge compartments, and eventually...
Well, then, so do I need a bilge pump in each compartment?
Yes.
Well, we're not going to do that. That's stupid. I'm going to go back to spraying the boat full of water.
Why do you have a bucket?
What?
Why do you have a bucket?
Because the bilge pump didn't work.
So you found the water?
Yeah, it's down there. Turns out. I think you're right. There are many compartments. But I did dig a bunch of shit out of the bilge, so that's cool.
That is cool, Spence.
Yeah. Well, it on or off?
Off.
Alright. Here is your old hose for your bilge pump. It was rotted through, which is unsafe, is what I've heard from our fries. So just so you guys know, new hose, new bilge pump. I don't know what made it happen though. It's weird. Just weird stuff happens to your hose when you get older, I guess. Okay, so Brina broke our toilet today. We can take back a look. It doesn't really matter. It's not that exciting. But the exciting bit is I found more parts. There's a broken toilet. Brina broke the seat. Broken components. And so I was gonna glue them back together and have them break again, but I found the same toilet in the trash at the marina, so I'm gonna go fish that out and save myself a headache. One man's trash, another man's treasure.
Tell me your discoveries.
Okay, fun things about the boat that I've discovered in my travels. The little filter that we
It's
always running all the
yeah.
time, that's your compressor for your fridge that might have been blocked up, so that's probably burned up now.
Oh. So what does that mean for fridge use?
At the moment, I turned it off. I'm going to work hard to get it back on. Might just be a big boat without a fridge filter.
No. I've grown accustomed
I
to
know,
it.
we can't go back.
I've grown accustomed to that fridge.
But there's cold beer right there. We can go to
No, it's my eye mask that I put in the fridge,
Oh,
and
shit.
my vegetables that I put in the fridge.
the bar. Wow.
Yes,
How
I'm
quick-
highfalutin now. I have a bigger boat.
How quick we adjust.
Yes.
Well, you better call up Ocean Mare then. I'm a little more concerned how we're going to get all the water out of the bilge with the non-operating bilge pump. And
Don't you just need to add hose to the bilge to then...
yeah, then someone's got to go to town.
You!
There are some things I'm confused about. There's a bilge pump in our bedroom that appears that it just goes through a hole to the bottom. Okay, I pump it and it didn't do anything. And the bilge pump on the... I know someone sent us some money to buy bilge pumps, and I'm working on it.
Yes, thank you.
We're going to have pumps.
We are going to fix it before we leave. Okay.
I started too many projects.
Yeah, so now you have three problems.
No solution.
And, yeah, no solution except for to cut things out, which I don't appreciate.
That's a solution. Less bullshit, B. I'll take your fans away if you keep this bullshit attitude.
I'm sure they're next. Tell them what you're about to do, Spence.
Start the fridge.
The most important job of all.
That's not what I'm doing right now, but...
What are you doing right now? I thought that's what you were doing.
Hell, sidetracked. This is my philosophy, B, not yours. It's how I work. Lots of stuff all at once.
Okay.
Zero completion.
Yeah. Okay.
When you're in charge, you do how you want to do it.
Okay.
So we'll do your way.
Fridge is running, which means we can go provision a little bit. It's awesome.
Goddamn sweet.
Ah! It's cold in here.
Do I look sweaty?
Yeah. Maybe you should tell them about this first.
To try to sort out all the oddities about the boat, we thought we'd fill the water tanks, and I filled the one that was labeled water, and it just poured all the water in the bilge. That one has been deleted. And then I tried to go to the other side, to the one that I thought it would be, also have been deleted. We filled this boat inside here. Just take these off, put a hose in here, and fill it up in here. I remember that from before.
Now?
Now I remember that, yes.
Okay.
The one I was trying to take off, the big plate one, is a deleted heater.
Oh.
Whatever.
Did you get it off?
No.
Okay.
I crawl under here, I looked up,
Oh, okay.
and there's nothing going to it.
Okay. So you fill the water tanks in here.
Yeah, they're two separate tanks, and you just fill them in here, which is probably just as easy as anything else.
Yeah, I agree.
There it is.
Well done, Pickle.
Thanks.
Problem solved.
Yeah.
We're trying to figure out the centerboard, and there's this sweet little plexiglass in the casing of the centerboard, so I think we figured out that the rope that we see, like, which it is, and I think the centerboard is currently down. How nifty is this? See that? Okay,
Okay, ready?
so I'm gonna be watching it.
You're gonna watch it, and just tell me what tension's up, okay?
Okay. Yes. Yeah?
Does it look slack still?
No?
What's it look like?
It looks tight.
Okay, that's what I asked you. Tell me when the tension's up.
I'm sorry.
What, did it look loose prior to
Yes.
doing things? Okay, now tell me if you see anything move.
I'm really, okay, it's not gonna snap me back in the face.
Oh, you'll be okay, I think.
It's not going anywhere now.
Does the line that you're looking at seem like the one that would pull it up?
Yes.
Like, from what you're looking at, your vantage point, if you pulled up on that spot on the centerboard, would it pull up or would
Yes!
it? Okay, I'm just making sure.
Although, there's a shit ton of growth. I think it's just stuck. Whoa.
What?
I think there's like,
Like a beaver in there?
yes,
Okay, so it's gotta be like
of like
pressure washed
fish
out.
eggs.
Huh?
There's like fish eggs and stuff.
Fish eggs?
I don't know.
Let me try the red line.
I think you should go down there.
I don't want to go down there. Why don't you go down there?
No.
There's fish and poop and shit down there? No way.
There's a little marmot living in there.
It's staph infection.
You know what you could do?
Go down there.
No, we could take this off.
Yeah.
And with a stick we can like kind of clean in there.
I think I'd rather just go to the boat.
I mean, that's your prerogative. No way.
Thanks, me.
Well, I'm just saying I wouldn't do it, so.
I mean, I might as well wait till we haul out the dick of the bed.
Whoa, there's a fish right here!
What?
There's a fish!
Did you get my centerboard?
He's like right. What is that? I feel like it's gonna be like.
Yeah, you're gonna see a face down there.
Yeah. No, I think there's way too much growth on it.
There's too much shit in there?
Yeah. I think there's a ton of stuff in there. That, I think, like, leads to the rope that goes that way. But that's all growth. And then up here, above the centerboard,
Yes.
where this rope is, that, there's gotta be, like,
Bunch of shit.
2 feet of growth.
2 feet.
I don't know for sure, but it seems like a lot.
That seems like an appropriate amount of growth.
Yeah.
Okay. So when we haul, we should consider doing a place that can pick it up pretty high to spray it all out.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Cool adventure.
Good job, team.